Hello there, this is Midun here, and today we will see how to use Llama 2 for free without coding. So, open your browser, your favorite browser, and search for POE, and click the first link you get. So, PO is a AI language model built by Cora's official team, and this consists of many AI language model. So, here you can use Llama 2 for free and without coding. So let's type who are you, so as soon as I type who are you, llama 2 is giving the answer like I'm llama. So you can use llama here. So if you find this helpful, just give a thumbs up for our channel and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.